UGETAM AS is a Turkish company specializing in hot tapping and live line drilling operations. These techniques allow for the modification or repair of pipelines without shutting down the flow of fluids within them. Hot tapping process using a specialized machine is used to cut a hole into a pressurized pipeline. A valve is then inserted into the hole, allowing for a branch connection to be made without interrupting the flow. This technique is applied when adding new branch lines, installing or replacing valves, and making repairs to existing pipelines. Meanwhile, live line drilling process using a similar machine is used to drill a hole through a pressurized pipeline. However, instead of inserting a valve, a pipe is inserted through the hole, allowing for a direct connection to be made. This operation connecting pipelines together and making bypasses around damaged sections of pipe. Hot tapping and live line drilling method of UGETAM minimize disruptions to operations, as pipelines do not need to be shut down. These techniques can be more cost-effective than traditional methods that require shutting down pipelines. UGETAM's experienced technicians prioritize safety in all operations. UGETAM has extensive experience in performing hot tapping and live line drilling operations on a variety of pipelines, including oil and gas pipelines, water pipelines, chemical pipelines, and power plant pipelines. They have a team of highly skilled technicians and engineers who are experts in these techniques. UGETAM is also equipped with the latest technology and equipment to ensure safe and efficient operations. ISOTEX is a leading European brand specializing in the production of insulated concrete form (ICF) blocks and insulated floor panels for sustainable and energy-efficient building solutions. These products are made from a mixture of wood and cement, providing excellent thermal and acoustic insulation while being eco-friendly and durable. ISOTEX systems are widely used for constructing walls and floors in residential, commercial, and industrial buildings. Here are some advices for installing ISOTEX blocks. Ensure the foundation surface is level and clean. Add a waterproofing layer on the foundation to prevent moisture from rising into the walls. Begin with corner blocks, ensuring they are level and aligned. Apply the adhesive mortar on the foundation and place the blocks carefully. ISOTEX blocks are designed to interlock without the need for mortar between layers. Insert vertical and horizontal reinforcement bars into the designated channels within the blocks. Once several rows are in place, fill the blocks with concrete for structural stability. Leave spaces for doors and windows as per the design. Use designated channels within the blocks to run electrical and plumbing installations. By using ISOTEX blocks and floor panels, you can achieve a robust, insulated, and sustainable building structure. Using ISOTEX reduces heating and cooling costs due to the high thermal resistance. It also made from recycled wood and environmentally friendly materials, has the resistant to fire, moisture, pests, and extreme weather conditions. Installing wood or laminate on stairs using Quick Step Floors products requires careful planning, the right tools, and attention to detail to ensure a professional and durable finish. Here's a step-by-step guide with helpful advice. Remove all dirt, dust, and debris from the stairs. Repair any uneven areas on the stairs using a filler or sander. If there's old carpet or any other covering, remove it completely. If the stairs have bullnose edges, trim them to create a straight edge or use a filler piece to level the overhang. Measure each step individually. Stairs can slightly vary in size, so precision is crucial. Cut the flooring planks and Quick Step inciso profiles to fit the width and depth of each step. Mark and trim the planks carefully to account for the riser, vertical part, and tread, horizontal part. For treads, spread adhesive evenly over the step using a notched trowel or as recommended by Quick Step. Place the flooring plank on the tread and press firmly. Use a rubber mallet if needed to ensure a snug fit. Attach the profile to the front edge of the step for a finished look and to protect the edges. Use screws or adhesive as per the profile's installation instructions. For risers, cut the plank to size for the riser, apply adhesive to the back of the plank, and press it firmly against the riser. Ensure it aligns perfectly with the tread. Quick Step inciso profiles are versatile and can be adapted to fit various stair shapes and requirements. Follow the specific instructions provided with the inciso profiles to adjust their height or shape as needed for a seamless look. Wipe off any excess glue immediately with a damp cloth. Ensure all edges are tightly secured to prevent movement over time. Walk on the stairs lightly to check for any loose areas or creaks. By following these steps and using Quick Step products, you can achieve a stylish and durable staircase that complements your flooring. Quebex is a Poland manufacturer of high-quality building materials, including a wide range of products for facade insulation and finishing. Their systems are known for their durability, aesthetics, and energy efficiency. Quebex offers various external wall insulation (EWI) systems, each tailored to specific needs and building types. Here's a general overview of the process. The existing facade is thoroughly cleaned and prepared to ensure proper adhesion of the insulation materials. This may involve removing loose paint, repairing cracks, and leveling uneven surfaces. A moisture barrier is applied to the substrate to prevent moisture from penetrating the insulation and damaging the building structure. Rigid insulation boards, typically made of expanded polystyrene, EPS, or mineral wool, are attached to the prepared surface using adhesive and mechanical fixings. The thickness of the insulation layer depends on the desired level of thermal performance and local building codes. A reinforcing mesh is embedded in a thin coat adhesive layer applied over the insulation. This provides structural stability and crack resistance to the final finish. A base coat of adhesive is applied over the reinforcing mesh, ensuring a smooth and even surface for the final finish. A final coat of decorative render is applied to the base coat. Quebex offers a wide range of finishes, including textured, smooth, and colored renders, allowing for customization of the building's appearance. Quebex facade insulation systems help to reduce significantly energy consumption for heating and cooling. It also creates a more comfortable living environment by minimizing temperature fluctuations, protects the building structure from moisture damage, and extends the lifespan of the building envelope.